Okay, it's like blizzard in Iowa today. We got the snow blowing and just made a contact through this ladder line and my inverted V antenna on my pole to Sweden, 5 watts QRP. The old ladder line's flopping in the wind here. And I'm doing this also to test out this new, well, it's not new, but the 7 RYMS wireless mics that I have and the windscreen out here. I was just kind of putting her to the test in all this wind to see if it really does a good job blocking it. And my inverted V is up there. It's center fed with the ladder line, and I got one leg going this way, which is 48 feet, and the other one's going that way, which is 48 feet. And it's configured in not in a straight across 880 degrees wire direction. This one is going south and that one's going northeast. So that's northeast and that's south. So it's kind of in a V figuration there too. So we'll see how this ends up out here in this wind, and if I can actually hear this. All right, and there's my solar panel out here. That my station in the house is totally solar and battery. My radio's inside, so there's not getting much of a charge today, but we're getting a little bit. And so that's it. 5 watts to Sweden through that wire ladder line and through that wire antenna on the top of the pole, 45 foot high. All right, I've rambled on enough now here. I think we tested the... I'll walk out here anyway. So, and here's what I don't know if you can see me. I got the mic right here, and we're standing out in this big wind, and my hands are getting really cold. Okay, that's it. Love that pole. Pulling wires up on an antenna. Okay, stop rambling. That's it. Good.
The kilowatt zero station, the kilowatt zero, you still there?
Roger, thank you. Kilo 0, Kilo Lima Bravo, Kilo Lima Bravo, QSL.
Roger, Kilo 0, Kilo Lima Bravo, K0KLB, Sugar Mike 6 Charlie Vector X-ray, thank you for the call. Copy about 5 by 6 here, and the name is Hans, Hotel Alpha Nancy Sugar. I'm located in southwestern Sweden. So I give you 5 by 6. Kilo 0, Kilo Lima, Boston. Sugar Mike 6, Charlie, Vector X-ray.
QSL, copy the 5-6. You are 5959er into Iowa, India Alpha. Name is Kevin. Over.
Roger, Kevin. Thank you for a 59 there in Iowa. And you are coming through here all okay also, no problem to copy you. I'm running about 800 watts here, 800 watts to a 3-element beam up to about 60 feet. I will QSL 100% through the QSL beer. I should appreciate the QSL call from you as well in return if possible. Kilowatt 0, Kilo Lima, Boston, Sugar Mike 6 Charlie, Vector X-ray.
Roger. Thank you, Hans. Nice to meet you. And I appreciate the contact into Sweden. Very nice. Thank you very much. Sugar Mike 6, Charlie Victor X-ray, Kilo 0, Kilo Lima Bravo. I won't hold you. I'll say 7-3, and thank you. Have a good day.
Roger. Very good indeed, Kevin. And you find my address on QSL.com, or you can QSL via the QSL Bureau. That's up to you. 70 freeze and enjoy your operation. How much power and what antenna are you using, by the way, over?
I'm running QRP 5 watts, and I'm using an inverted, center-fed, inverted V wire antenna that's 96 feet, over.
Okay, Roger. Your 5 watts and your inverted V is doing great job for you. I should be more than pleased to QSL to confirm this contact, Kevin. It's a good contact. K0KLB, Sugar Mike 6 Charlie, Vector X-ray. Good morning.
Good day. Have a good day. Thank you. 7-3.